I contacted Guardian from a mailing card when I was concerned about the emergence of moss on my roof. Representative Joe Hills came out and did a complete survey of my roof and determined that not only did I have a mild moss infestation that you could take care of, but also that my chimney had a bad flashing situation. Joe recommended that, as well as taking care of the moss treatment, that they also fix the chimney up, and that was what I contracted with Guardian to do: fix the chimney back up to design standards, replace the cap on it and deteriorated cap on it, reflash it, and put in a cricket that had not been there before. Your team, when they came, did actually all of that stuff in one day. The chimney repair, the roof treatment, you getting rid of the moss, flushing off the roof. They did an excellent job protecting all of the exterior spaces around my house against the runoff from the roof when they washed it off. They've done a really good and quick job doing the chimney capping and the reflashing and the cricket installation, and I could not be more pleased. They cleaned up everything. They came on time. They did the job, I would say, much faster than I thought would happen. And as I say, they did it all in one day. And then as far as scheduling, getting the job done, everything worked perfectly. And I have nothing but gratitude for what you did for me.